Hi everyone, Melanie Hache, Senior Director with Epicure here. I want to talk to you all about the steamers that we have. And in our current catalog, we actually have 4 of them. I'm super happy. The square one came back. So as you can see, I'm going to show you. Put my apple over there. So it's actually like half. Here, if I do this, you'll see properly. So you'll see like it's actually, it's half the height of the multi-purpose steamer, which if you've seen a couple of my videos, I talked to you about why I love this steamer so much. I cook rice in it, I cook veggies, and as a family of 5, it's the perfect size for us. It comes with a rack as well, so you can make bacon, or if you have different types of protein, like little mini burgers, you can make them, and then the juices will go in the bottom, the grease. If you want it as well, you could divide, like on one side, you can flip it over. And on one side, you could have like one type of veggies, and on the other side, another type of veggies. So if you didn't want your food to touch, let's say. So that's another great tip. And yeah, I just love this multi-purpose steamer. So this one I use even to cook like a whole chicken. I have a video. If you want to see that, comment chicken on the bottom here and I'll share that with you. And this one is a round steamer, almost the same size as the multi-purpose. The only thing, you can't put the tray in it, and it's really great. I use it as well to cook basically anything that I've just mentioned, whether it's a full chicken, a whole chicken, or rice, potatoes, veggies. I love to cook my ground beef in it as well, so really lovely pieces of cookware. And for the last one that we have here, we have like a rectangular one. So this one is actually like half of, so it would be like 2 rectangular ones to make one square one, and it makes sense, and 2 height of the square one to make the multi-purpose steamer, and then this one. So what I love as well, when I put them away in my cupboards, I typically would put them all into like one into the other. So you could put like this one, and then if I had another one, I could put it on top. So it doesn't take a lot of space in your cupboards, and it's really tools that I use almost daily. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you want recipes, comment recipes below, and I will share them with you.